Guys, alright guys, so it's Mr. Flexy here and I'm gonna be very annoying on this subwoofer. It has a lot of rattling noise, so I'm gonna be turning on my system and we're gonna be checking out the annoying rattling noise. So I'm gonna be testing out a tone of 55 Hertz. So I'm gonna be making that 35 because the subwoofer flexes at 35 Hertz, the subwoofer box. Okay, so let me increase the volume so I don't know if you hear my voice or maybe it's modulated by the sub. So I'm hearing rattling noise over here. Let's see. So the rattling noise should be removed. So I'm gonna be increasing the low frequency here, or maybe I'm gonna be increasing it on my phone. It always depends on what you want. Increasing the so I'm hearing the noise. Let me just lower the frequency for about 32 Hertz. The sub was like rattling annoyingly. Maybe I'm gonna be trying 29. So, because of inspecting my sub for suspected vibration, what I've seen is I'm gonna be adding screws here because this side has a wood going to this port. So, we're gonna be adding screws, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna be let you listen for another time. The noise disappeared after I hold it like this, so I know where I'm gonna be putting my screws. Alright guys, so we're gonna be adding screws on the subwoofer. So this is the port, mainly the port, and what I'm gonna be showing you is we're gonna be measuring how much does it take to go to the port. So we're gonna be first measuring it using this one. So this is the port length. Just pull this. So touch the port. So from this, so this is the port length. This is how long the port. This is how many screws you would like to place it. So we are now gonna be estimating how long it is. So make sure this is a straight line. Here we go. So I'm just gonna be aligning them here. So after I've aligned them on here. Alright guys, so what I find out here, so as you can see, this is the port, then this is a hole, and then this is the port, and then there's a wood going here. So this has no wood, so the place where I would put my screw should be on top of this yellow line over here. So what I'm gonna be doing, so I'm gonna be first, so the port is up to this point, so I'm gonna be checking out. So yes, so this line going here, so let me just adjust it, so make sure this is aligned. There we go, make sure it's aligned. So the distance, I'm gonna be like boring first. So let's add the first screw. Just make sure to add it nicely. You need to center it so that it will not slip throughout the wood. So the wood is like this thick. Now I'm gonna be adding the first screw. Make sure to just align it pretty nice. So just checking out. So there you go. We'll be having the first screw. So this is to remove the chances of vibrating box. I mean to reduce the chance of